Hi, my berries! Today I want to show you my favorite smoothie right now, which helps you to get your flat belly, bloat-free belly especially, and yeah, just makes you feel good and energized. You need a blender. I have Blendtec, but you don't need that expensive blender. It should be high speed. That's how you get this creamy consistency. But there is so much cheaper options out there as well. I can put you down some links, you can check them out. But basically you need ripe bananas. Just look at this, like spotty ripe bananas. And put the blender basically full, or how much you think it's going to satisfy you. I'm going to put I think 6 or 7 or 8. And yeah, don't eat unripe bananas. They're not going to digest well. This is basically, a lot of times people drink smoothies and they don't feel good. It doesn't digest well because the fruit is unripe there. It's so important. You basically, if you pull down the skin, it shouldn't make any noise. That's how you know this is ripe. And it should come out super easily. Yeah, about this much bananas. And now I have frozen mango. We don't have fresh mango here in Estonia much, Maybe you get some, but it's super pricey and it's so much cheaper to have some kind of quality frozen mangoes. Why quality? Because most frozen fruits are picked too early, so you don't want to mess with that. So put some more quality one, and you can see this is quite yellow, this is quite ripe. And I just put as much as I want. Basically this is full, And now I put a little bit cane sugar, organic cane sugar, just to make it sweeter, because the bananas are not that sweet and the mango is not that sweet too. Though it is so good on its own already, but I just want more fruit, more sugar, more energy. So let's put, about 2 tablespoons or so. And I have Sri Lankan vanilla here, and put that in as well. You don't need to put it because vanilla is super expensive. My mom went to Sri Lanka and I asked her please bring me some vanilla, and she brought me a lot of vanilla, so now I'm using it all day every day. I'm not wasting it at all, and it just gives this nice vanilla flavor. But still it's not that good vanilla as I got from Spain last year. So it doesn't give this good vanilla taste that I had in Spain, but yeah, it works. So now we're going to blend it up. I don't put any water here because I want this kind of pudding texture. If you want, you can put some water, but if you're struggling with bloating eating smoothies, then I really suggest you to take out the water or put minimal water, just to, it digests better. You don't feel so full or bloated, and it just digests a little bit easier. But it's okay totally if you put water as well. It's more hydrating and good. I just like to drink my water before, and then I'm going to have my smoothie. So yeah, let's blend it up. and it's ready. I like to eat this smoothie in a bowl because it's just like a pudding, you know. I really, really enjoy eating with the spoon. It just makes me eat it slower as well. I just feel very good after eating it, and it's just good. When you're kind of drinking it, which is okay as well, totally okay, but we often kind of swallow air in as well, and it can make us more bloated. So keep in mind, just like drink it and chew your smoothie as well. This makes it so much easier to digest as well. So yeah. Oh, nice. Look at this. Yummy. Okay, I can't show you. So let's taste it. Oh yeah, so good. It's like a little bit like an ice cream, but it's kind of melted ice cream. I used to melt my ice cream, like real ice cream, because I really wanted, you know, this kind of liquidy sweetness in me. So yeah, try it out. You can do different combos. Like there are so many options you can make smoothies of. So just be creative and enjoy. Comment if you're going to try it, and tell me what do you want to see next.